Hey everyone, Chris from Mitch Motors. Today I have a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan SE with only 31,000 miles. This van has a clean Carfax with no accidents, an excellent service history, and it's super clean and rust free. It's been converted by Braun-Ability into a fully handicap accessible wheelchair van featuring their extra tall fold out conversion, giving you plenty of interior space and headroom. The power fold out ramp deploys to the passenger side sliding door at the touch of a button. It also has a kneeling system that lowers the van to reduce the ramp angle for easier access. Inside, you'll find two retractable Q-Straint tie downs to safely secure a wheelchair. In today's video, we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior and all the mobility features working, and take it out on the road so you can see how it drives. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this Braun-Ability van. It's super simple and very user friendly. You can deploy the ramp right from the factory key fob. Just press the passenger side sliding door button twice. The door will automatically open, the van will kneel, and the ramp will smoothly deploy to the ground. To stow the ramp, just press the same button twice again. The ramp will retract, the van will raise back up, and the door will close all automatically. In addition to the key fob, the ramp can also be operated using the factory overhead sliding door button, the dash mounted button, or the buttons located next to the ramp in the rear. This conversion is designed for ease of use, accessibility, and independence. Let's do a walk around of the Grand Caravan so you can see their overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Tires are in really nice shape. Hubcaps are a little faded. Do have heated mirrors as well. A couple of little nicks on the rub rail, but that's what that's for. Sliding door looks really nice. I don't see anything going on there. Like, just some touch up right here. Really hard. It's really small stuff. I like to point everything out to you guys. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. So really nice tires all the way around. Plenty of tread left. A couple little nicks on the bumper. Just really small stuff. Little thing right there. Roof looks really nice. Tailgate looks really nice. Bumper looks nice too. Just a couple little scratches or little touch-ups. You know, it is a 14-year-old van at this point, so it's gonna have a little character, but nothing major. Everything's super nice. Got another little ding right there. Got a little scrape on this skirt right there. It's really normal with these vans, it happens. Driver door has a couple little dings. It's really small. I probably can't even pick it up on the camera, but it looked like there was a couple little dings up there. Driver door looks nice. Skirt looks good. Check out the front. Headlights look really nice. Windshield looks good. Headlights also look really good. It has a couple little light scratches on it, super light.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
Got some cup holders, some storage as well. Rear seats look really nice. You can see here we have our retractable Q-Straint tie down. Another one right here, as well as the seatbelt buckle extender. These things right here are little steps. This way you have some rear passengers. They have somewhere to put their feet instead of having it dangle. Some more storage and cup holders, stuff like that. Do have removable driver and passenger seats, so both of these seats can be taken out, or one or the other, whatever you prefer. So that's really nice. You can see here we have a button right there, as well as a button right here. Those two buttons will control the ramp and the sliding door as well. So if you wanted to press those, you'll see everything will start to work again. Close up. Okay. We do have rear controlled air conditioning as well. So you can hear all those fan speeds working. So yeah, there's a little spot right there in the carpet. I believe the last owner had a wheelchair up front. So yeah, Do have power windows and power locks. Passenger seat is in really nice condition. Do have 2 glove boxes here as well. All the manuals as well as the Braun manual is in there. This is a manual seat too, by the way. Your recline is here, and you move the seat forward and back is right there. All right, I got a little storage right here. In this little area, we'll find the jack and tools. We have another little storage bin right here. We do have rear folding seats. They also recline as well by pulling this tab. It's kind of hard for me to do with one hand. You can see them folded down in the pictures. But yeah, these seats do recline and fold down as well. This is a manual lift gate. Driver's seat's in really nice condition as well. All right, let's get on in. Did have the van running, so let me turn it off so I can show you guys that there's no warning lights or anything on. You can see just the seatbelt's on because I don't have my seatbelt on, but really nice. So let's go through everything. Let's check everything out. Let's check out the windows. So we have an automatic driver window. You see that goes up and down. Passenger side as well. See that working. Let's check out the rear windows. All right. Oh. Okay. We do have rear vent windows as well. See those working. Power locks. See all of our power locks working. Check out our mirrors. You can find your mirrors right here. You can see they go up and down and left and right. So all that works. Check out the other side. You can see they go up and down and left and right, so that all works as well. Check out the radio. Radio works. We do have ice cold AC. I'm gonna run through all the fan speeds. You can hear all that working, so all the fan speeds work. We do have our other button to operate the ramp right here. We got a little cubby section right there, some cup holders. And then down here we have a couple power outlets and an on-off switch for the kneeling. All right, we do have a couple of, we already talked about the glove boxes, so that's right there. Dash looks really good. And then up here we do have the sliding door buttons. These operate the sliding doors. This one will operate the ramp operation as well. So another way to use the ramp. We do have cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as steering wheel audio controls. So you can hear that going. And obviously we have Seek on this side too. So
now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well the van performs and how it feels out on the road.
That wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.